Morning, people of the world. I said that yesterday. I don't know why I always sing. Good morning. I'm on my way to work. Woo! All done work for the day. I am headed back to the hotel, and I'm tired. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I hope you've had a wonderful day so far. I have vlogged just once this morning, I think. Yeah. All right. Headed back to the hotel. Maybe we'll do something fun. I don't know. Let's go to the gym. I decided to swing by this little park. It's kind of a boat launch park thingy right by this huge plant. We got the boat launch. Got all the docks. It's pretty cool. Hey, let's go down here. Seagulls. There you go. New Jersey water. But it's kind of gross looking. Look at it. It's cool. But yeah, as you can see over there, big old plant. I don't even know what that plant is, but crazy. It's cool. There's a gazebo. Stinks. There's all of that refinery over there too. But yeah, nothing really that interesting. I mean, this is New Jersey for you. Power lines, park. Oh, it's kind of funny. Yeah, that was cool. Not really that great, but cool. Heading to the gym. Whoop, whoop. It's not going yet. Okie dokie, mister. It is time to go get some dinner. I need a shirt first, though. And let's go for this one. Pause while I put a shirt on, please. So I'm hungry as a bear. Actually, hungry as a wolf. It's more like it. Get my jacket on. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Oh, yeah. All right, I think I'm going to go out to Chipotle. Get my shoes on. I got my shoes on. Sorry, dizziness. Chipotle it is. I guess something a little healthier than deep fried. I'm excited though. I'm starving. I did a pretty good workout. Did shoulder stuff mostly. That's really a decent looking car. I like the rims. They're pretty sweet. It almost looks like, if you look at it from the side, it almost looks like a BMW. BMW, but it's not. It's not a BMW. It's a Volkswagen Jetta. Got my Chipotle! Oh yeah! I know you can't see me, but there I am! I got Chipotle. Let's go eat! Here's my Chipotle. I was at the hotel desk and they gave me this metal fork. I asked if they had a plastic one. He was like, "You want me to get you a real one?" I was like, "Sure." So I just get to eat it with a real fork. And it has cheese on it. And then I got pressed apple. It's pretty good apple juice. So yeah, just eating dinner. I'm gonna watch The Voice a little later. Hey, hey, hey. So it's the end of the night. I'm watching Ridiculousness, and I am ready for bed. But I'll probably FaceTime with Keisha, and then go to bed. So I'm going to say goodnight. See you guys later.